on a different level, I found it very meaningful that I built something that people love to think of so much that they actually start to learn how open source works.
Yeah, you were the OpenClaw project was a first pull request. You were the first for so many. That is magical. So many people that don't know how to program are taking their first step into the programming world with this.
Isn't that a step up for humanity? Isn't that cool?
Creating builders.
Yeah, like the bar to do that was so high, and like with agents and with the right software, it just like went lower and lower. I don't know. I was I also organized another type of meetup. I called it Cloud Code Anonymous. Uh, you can get the inspiration from. Now I call it Agents Anonymous for reasons.
Agents Anonymous.
And
Oh, it's so funny on so many levels. I'm sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
and there was this one guy who talked to me. He's like, I run this design agency, and we never had custom software, and now I have like 25 little web services for various things that help me in my business, and I don't even know how they work, but they work. And he was just like very happy that my stuff solved some of his problems, and he was like curious enough that he actually came to like a agentic meetup, even though he doesn't really know how software works.
Can we actually rewind a little bit and tell the saga of the name change? First of all, it started out as Wa Relay.
Yeah.
And then it went to
Claudius. Yeah, you know, when I built it in the beginning, my agent had no personality. It was Claude code. Slightly sycophantic, opus, very friendly. And when you talk to a friend on WhatsApp, they don't talk like Claude code. So I felt this, I just didn't feel right. So I wanted to give it a personality.
Make it spicier, make it
Yeah.
something. By the way, that's actually hard to put into words as well. And we should mention that, of course, you create the Soul.md inspired by Anthropic's constitutional AI work, how to make it spicy.
Partially, it picked up a little bit from me. You know, like those things are text completion engines in a way. So I had fun working with it, and then I told it to how I wanted it to interact with me, and just like write your own agents.md, give yourself a name,